This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and today we're going to be learning what I used to call the 1, 2, 3 step. Right? The reason I call it the 1, 2, 3 step is because you would go 1, 2, 3. Right? Makes sense. But later on in life, I learned of the fancy dancy dance term, which is called the pas de bourrée, which basically you will see in a lot of different dance forms. And naturally, a lot of dancers, including myself, just started doing this step on their own. And this one in particular is actually done on the ground, and I have to say it's a really good step for moving forward with your footwork. So without further ado, let's get down to the floor. Alright, you guys, so first thing I want to do is show you what this step looks like up top, and then we will translate that down to the floor. We're basically going to go step, and then we're going to step behind, and then we're going to step back. So it goes step, 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 step. Sometimes you'll see a lot of people do different variations of this. Feel free to go ahead. Bringing it down to the floor, I now just want to show you guys the basic step, and then we'll add some movement to it. So we're going to kind of approach this as if we're doing the front part of a 6-step. We want to try to do every step on our toes. This will just make sure we stay really, really light, okay? So it's gonna go step, step behind, step out. Then we switch sides. You go step, step behind, step out. So when I used to do it, I would go 1, 2, 3, hence the 1, 2, 3 step. All right, let's go again. Ready? It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me try it from a little bit further back. Ready? I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going around in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, it's that same pattern each time. Step, step behind, step out. Just like the front of a 6-step. Step, step behind, step out. And because of the nature of the step, every step is moving forward, you tend to move forward. So let's do it one more time from the back to the front. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, you guys, with that said, that's kind of the most I could do in a garage. But I would recommend you guys take this to a basketball court-sized place and just work your way across the floor. Do it step by step, starting slow, and increase your speed, because this will really, really teach you how to travel with your footwork. If you guys ever check out a lot of the old school footage, you'll see b-boys traveling all around the circle. If there's a big space, they'll move and they'll take up that whole space. A lot of times dancers tend to confine themselves to a little spot on the floor, which is definitely okay, but when you have space, you want to use it. So this teaches you guys really how to use the space that you have. Like always, make sure you guys master the movement and then get creative with it. Big thanks to catbeast.com for sponsoring this video, and for more tutorials and knowledge about hip hop, make sure you guys subscribe to VincaniTV. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.